Brisket Philly cheesesteak off the cherry pepper onions and Big Mac barbecue sauce? Oh, how could I forget? The jalapeno cheese sauce going on top. This is crazy loaded right here, baby. Like, this is dumb loaded. Alright, what up though? It's your boy Chef Geech. Welcome to another episode of the Platebook. This week, we play the Philadelphia Eagles. Now I'm happy about that. You wanna know why I'm happy about that? My favorite sandwich in the whole world is a Philly cheesesteak, bro. When I hear people from Philly be like, man, I'm tired of Philly cheesesteak, bro. I've been eating my whole life. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care if I grew up in Philly. I don't care if I spent 30,000 years in Philly. I'll eat Philly cheesesteaks the rest of my life, all right? Today I'm making my barbecue brisket Philly cheesesteak with a jalapeno cheese sauce. Hey, so remember we played the Chiefs not too long ago and they cheated us and the rest did what they did? Anyways, I made that brisket. Y'all really thought I ate all that brisket? Never. I froze it. All right, so we got this brisket left over from the last time I cooked, and I'm gonna take this nice piece of brisket. Look at that, still got that bark on it, still flavorful, still smell like barbecue sweetness. Yeah, listen, I'm not just here to teach y'all how to cook, I'm here to teach y'all how to be frugal, all right? So we're gonna use leftover meat, and we're gonna turn it into Philly cheesesteak, all right? So I got this leftover brisket. Now I had ordered me a slicer off of Amazon. I live in an apartment complex. I'm sure everybody in LA can relate. They said delivered, it ain't delivered, okay? So I want my meat slicer Amazon, but in the meantime, we're gonna try this mandolin out and see what happens. You feel me? We just gonna see. I don't know, I've never tried to cut meat on a mandolin before. We're gonna get a nice little shave on that, just a real thin, and we just gonna work with what we got, y'all. That's what we gotta do. Ooh, hey, low key. You know what? Cancel that meat slicer. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. Mandolin working. I didn't think this was gonna work. That's crazy. It's coming out real thin too. Yeah, that's gonna be good for some. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good, baby. So you wanna cut this down, get a nice thin slice of brisket, and we're gonna use this on our cheesesteak. It is difficult, I tell you that though. Shit. Oh man, whew. That's what it did for me. I only got this much meat. Let me make it a little bit thicker. We have the meats. See that? Look like I had a meat cleaver. I mean a meat slicer. I didn't, I had a mandolin. I don't even want the meat slicer no more. Refund me my money right now. Look at that, came out perfectly, didn't it? Yippee! All right, so next we're gonna make our cheese sauce, our jalapeno cheese sauce. All right, and it's real simple ingredients, man. We're gonna cut this baby on. We're gonna drop the butter in there, all right? Get us a nice little roux going, little roux. Then we're gonna throw flour in there, tablespoon, buttercream. We got the roux going. Now we're gonna gradually add some milk. You want to add it in there a little bit at a time because you want to get all them lumps out. You don't want no lumps of flour in your drink, you know what I'm saying? So just a little bit at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Little mama, show me how you do it. Go ahead, put your back into it. Do it like it ain't nothing to it. Shake that, girl. All right, I'm done with the gradually, all right? I tried. I don't got the patience for the gradually. At the end, I'm gonna take my blender and we're gonna get all them lumps out. So you wanna add your milk in there, let that cook. Be careful though, don't squirt your milk. Don't squirt your milk. If you squirt your milk, you squirt the sauce and the sauce is ruined. So make sure you keeping that tempered, all right? While we like that going, we're gonna throw in the seasonings to go with it. A little garlic, a little salt, a little paprika, and that's it. Truth be told, I've never been to Philadelphia before. I might go to this game, but y'all folks over there at Lincoln Financial, y'all be talking crazy. Like, I talk crazy at games. All right, ask Roger. He don't go to games. Well, he does go to games with me, but I know a lot of people that don't go to games with me because I get to talking crazy. And I feel like if you put me in a room with a Philadelphia fan, it's just gonna be too much, bro. But I don't talk what I can't take. Like, if I talk shit to you, I can take shit. But I be watching videos of y'all touching somebody's hat, or don't touch me now. Don't touch me, okay? All right? It's just football. Don't touch me. I won't touch you. Don't be talking too loud and a little phlegm come out either. Don't do that, okay? Lucky Mike. All right, you stay over there. So I don't know if I'm gonna go to Philly. Shout out to my Philly folks, though. I got a lot of family out in Philly, a lot of homies out in Philly. So we'll see. Defending Super Bowl champions. This was supposed to be the NFC Championship game last year, and we dropped the ball. It's okay, all right? Now we get to see what could have been and should have been. So next I'm gonna add, now that my milk is a little heated, I'm gonna add my cheese to that. And then the key to this sauce, right? How to really make it pop? American cheese. Yes, 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 American cheese. American cheese is the cheese of all cheese that we use when we making cheese sauce, baby. Cheese sauce for Cheese Whiz. I know y'all like, you ain't use American cheese when you made that beer cheese sauce. Well, I'm glad you're paying attention. Stay tuned, Platebook, baby. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to YouTube down below, Chef Geech. Thank you. Continue to follow me. I'm doing like 6-7 slices, I ain't gonna lie. I need this to be real cheesy, real whizzy. Real cheesy, real whizzy. Boom. And skip it. I'm just going to throw my jalapenos in here. I got chopped jalapenos. I got a little bit of fresh jalapenos. And I got pickled jalapenos. Why do I got a little bit of this, a little bit of that? Because that's all I had in my refrigerator. It ain't no real reason to it. That's just all I had. Boom. We're going to whisk all of this together. We're going to let it melt. And we're going to let it sit in the pot. And do what it's got to do. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at that. Look at that, man. Look at that. Good job. Look at the cheese sauce. All right, so we're gonna put this to the side and we about to put the brisket in the pan, cook that up, and we about to finish this whole sandwich off. This is a quick recipe, all right? It shouldn't take that long. Whoa, yeah. What is it good for? Absolutely. What? It ain't nothing but a heartbreaker. Senility, Undertaker. Oh, yeah. It ain't you all, it's y'all. Y'all. Let me show you how goofy ass I do this. All right, welcome to Geechy Hana. They ain't know I can do that shit, huh? Right, I'm cooking up that shit right now. We're gonna throw some onions in the pan. Onions, peppers, cook it up. I like the way that smell already, I ain't gonna lie. A little salt on there. A little salt, a little pepper. I've never made a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. As much as I love them, I never made one because I don't want to make one. Like, it's like when people make movies that's already been, like, they good. They don't need no more sequels, bro. Like, if it's good, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. That's me all day. Like, I don't remix songs that's cold. Like, if you did a song and it's hard, I'm not about to do it. So, when it comes to a Philly cheesesteak, I'm not about to try to do it. But today is the day. We're going to let that get a nice little caramelization, aka borderline burnt. Nice little, ooh, you see that? See that Teflon pop up? Yeah, baby. Since I already flipped this and caught this, I might as well keep the show going, right? These cherry peppers smell amazing. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Like, they smell real good right now. All right. Now that the onions and the peppers getting a little bit brown, it's time to add the meat. We're just gonna throw that boy in there. Blah! Blah! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. I'm just gonna cut it up while it's in the pan, give it a nice little cut. I'm super focused right now, I'm sorry. I want it to be good. Cut all this up. I want my chopped up. Alright. Next we're gonna throw some cheese on here. My choice of cheese, pepper jack. Now I know y'all like Geech, what happened to the cheese whiz? We're gonna throw that on top, alright? I ain't forget, let me cook, you watch. Pepper jack just falling apart. It's cool though, we're gonna make it work. I just wanna lay some layers of it down. Skip it, just let it crumble. Just crumble where you may fall. Yep, we're gonna spread that around, spread the wealth on that. Let that cook down. Alright, we're gonna take that cheese, we're gonna incorporate that into this brisket. Dog, this junk smell crazy. When I first thought about doing this, I was like, I wonder how that's gonna taste. Bro, I cannot wait. You know what this missing though? Just a little bit of that Chef Geech Big Back barbecue sauce. I just want to throw a little bit on there. I don't even want to lie, because I feel like this is real Philly cheese blasphemous. Just a little bit. Oh my Lord, look at this. Come look at this. Look at this. Oh my lordy. This is what Philly cheesesteak is supposed to look like. I ain't gonna lie. Like when I be going to get Philly cheesesteak, it be looking like this. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control and I think I like it. This is going in the restaurant for sure. The Chef Geech restaurant, the first in Geech restaurant. Yes, sirski. All right, we're gonna cut this bread up. This is Italian hoagie roll, freshly baked from a bakery out here in California. Actually, the bakery I got this from, believe it or not, they were Lion fans. Yes, the lady did it. I learned this little trick on the internet. Somebody showed me, you know what I'm saying, y'all be peeling the bread out. My mama always told me, too rough, too rough, too rough, all that rough housing. We're gonna flip this boy over just like that. And we're gonna scoop. I think this how they be doing it. Brisket Philly cheesesteak off the cherry pepper, onions, and big back barbecue sauce. Oh, how could I forget? The jalapeno cheese sauce going on top. This is crazy loaded right here, baby. Like this is dumb loaded, stupid loaded sandwich. If this was my restaurant, this how much you gonna get too. I'm not gonna shortchange you. I'm gonna give you what you paid for. Cause this sandwich is going for $99.99. Oh my Lord, I'm ready to eat this motherfucker. Brisket looking crazy already. You could low-key eat it like this. This is how you go from a $50, $55 sandwich to a $100 sandwich right here, baby. Stop talking to me like I don't do this. Ugh, thick. Oh my Lord. All right, I've been waiting for this. I've been waiting for this my whole life. I don't even got no words, bro. I amaze myself sometimes. I ain't gonna lie. This right here is so cheesy, bro. It got the same texture as all the cheesesteaks I ever ate. It's so saucy. Barbecue brisket, Philly cheesesteak, jalapeno cheese sauce, big bag barbecue sauce.